I made a horror game in 1 hour to prove just how easy they are to make, but I think we can go even further. To really show how simple horror games have gotten, I'm going to make a horror game in 1 hour, 10 minutes, and finally 1 minute. Then get a horror game expert to play the 1-minute version and give it a rating. This might be a terrible mistake. Enjoy the video and consider subscribing if you like it. The 1 hour challenge will officially begin in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Horror game, 1 hour. What do we need? Sound design. Sound design is a big one. Monster is a big one. Setting is a big one. Gameplay. Okay, all of these are big ones. Let's just get into it. I guess to start off, let's figure out the gameplay. So let's make a capsule for the player. There we go. This is the player. Now we need to make the player actually do something. I'll make another object called an apple. All right, due to the time constraints, I think I will borrow a bit of code. Guys, it's not stealing. It's not stealing. It's just, ooh, perfect. All right, now the player should hopefully be able to move. Yes. This is beautiful. Now that the player can move, we need to add the ability to collect objects. And once you collect 8 of them, you're teleported to the windscreen. And then let's add 8 apples and move them across the map. This could definitely pass as a horror game on Steam. So this is our windscreen for now. Now in theory, when you collect all 8 of the apples, the windscreen should now be loaded. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, there we go. Our game is pretty much done. We just need monsters, sound design, art assets, environment maybe we have a little bit left to go, but now that our game is playable, I think it is time to create some art assets. So far so good. This kind of looks like a monster. Let's give him a long head. He has lips. You see, it's okay. He's kind of cute, guys. Is it just me or is he kind of cute? I mean, that's basically what a foot looks like, right? This game is coming together. I absolutely love him. All right, so what we should do is color him in now. He's beautiful. Oh my gosh. What do we name this guy? It's a very original game. It's not inspired by any other horror games in the world. Boxy Boo, Mommy Longlegs. Oh, that's perfect. This is Daddy Longlegs. Not inspired by any other character. We have 20 minutes left, so this is not something I should be focusing on. He needs a nice black top hat. Daddy Longlegs, the monster of our 1 hour horror game. Wait, Daddy Longlegs already exists? Guys, this is not a problem. Our character doesn't have to be Daddy Longlegs. Our character can be Father perfect. Father Lengthy Ankles. Genius, I am a genius. We need to animate Father Lengthy Ankles and we have to do it quick. We have 10 minutes left and this is what our game looks like right now. I'm a little bit concerned. And then Father Lengthy Ankles has a monster script. When Father Lengthy Ankles gets within a certain range of you, a jump scare is loaded. So we need to create a jump scare. I think the jump scare is ready. So he steps on you, guys. It's beautiful. It's genuinely beautiful. Oh, we need to make sound effects. I am your father. I am your father. I am your father. Okay, the audio's done, guys, and we have 1 minute left. Hurry. Okay, just in time. Our 1 hour is complete. So we have to get the apples. Okay, go.
Father needs your ankles. Father needs
3,
your ankles.
6, 7. Last one, I
Father
think.
needs your ankles. Father
8. There we go. We did it. Father Lengthy Ankles Apple Farm is a masterpiece. We have to see the jump scare as well. Hey, Father Lengthy Ankles.
Father got your ankles.
Beautiful. Beautiful game. We absolutely crushed the 1 hour game. So now it's time to up the stakes a little bit and move on to the 10-minute game. If this is what we made in an hour, then this is not looking too good for us. But the 10-minute timer begins in 3, 2, 1. Okay. We're gonna make a few budget cuts compared to the last version. We don't exactly have time for 3D assets. So this time we're just gonna draw him. So there we go. Father lengthy ankles recreated in 2D. I can't even tell the difference. And then we need the apples. There we go, guys. This is an apple, right? And we need a grass texture as well. There we go. Look, it's like, guys, I'm an artist. Just trust me. And then finally, the last thing we need is the jump scare. 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. There we go. And now we have the jump scare. Grass. Let's add the apple. Father. Oh god, and then we need the player. 52 seconds. Let's make it so that there's only one apple to collect.
Father wants your ankles. Father got your ankles.
And there we go. In theory, the game should work now. We have not tested this one at all, so I'm a little concerned. I don't know what to expect, but let's just hope for the best. This is the 10-minute version of Father Lengthy Ankles Apple Farm. It's okay, it has slightly worse graphics, but he's guarding his apple. You have to kind of juke him out, and then there we go. We have completed the game. And then when you get jump scared,
Father got your ankles.
Beautiful, beautiful jump scare. Maybe even better than the original. And there we go. We have completed yet another masterpiece, but now it is time for the real test. These past 2 rounds were warm-up rounds, but the 1-minute version of this game is going to be played by an expert horror game judge, Bijou Mike, who will give us a rating from 1 to 10. So somehow, we need to make the 1-minute version of the game really good. And I think based on the last 2 games, we might be a little bit screwed. As soon as I press this button, the 1-minute timer will begin. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, so we need the apple. Apple, this is an apple. We need the freaking dude. Save as, save as, save as, save as, save as, PNG, 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 dude. Bro, what was I thinking? What was I thinking? What was I thinking? Okay, and then we need the apple, we need the apple. 20 seconds, create a new. This guy needs the jump scare object. And there we go. This is the 1-minute version of Father Lengthy Ankles Apple Farm. We did it! The graphics definitely took a hit this time. You know, only having like 5 seconds to record the voice lines, I think actually made the voice acting even better. We have to check out the jump scare, of course. Beautiful. With the 1-minute game finished, it was time to see if we really completed this challenge. So I asked one of the biggest horror game experts on YouTube to play our game and give us a rating.
Father Lengthen Ankles Apple Farm? Oh, this is looking good. Dear Lord Bijou Mike, today I stand before you to present a great endeavor that I have embarked upon. To showcase the astonishing laziness of modern horror games, I undertook the task of creating a complete horror game in 1 minute. Oh, wow. Okay. I see you're stepping your game up here. I see you. Given your unparalleled status as a scrub lord in the horror game cosmos, I believe that your esteemed evaluation is necessary to determine if I have succeeded in my challenge of creating a real horror game. My soul quivers with anticipation as I implore your distinguished self to grace my creation with your discerning eye and unparalleled expertise. Ever in awe of your greatness, Polymars. Well, I'm glad you finally recognized my greatness. Or I should say, I'm glad somebody does. Oh my goodness. Well, you've already hyped up the game plenty for me. No pressure. I am in awe of this amazing horror game. Okay, this is the thing. I genuinely believe you made this in 1 minute. Holy crap. Wait, how do you collect it? Oh, E. Oh, I can't wait to see this video. Wow, I think you may have outdone yourself, Polymars. This is, unironically better than a lot of horror games that You win! I gotta say, I will rate that a 9 out of 10, just simply because nothing could ever take the top spot that, you know, Sussy Wussy does take. Oh, and, Lunkus Munkus. 9 out of 10, definitely.